everybody. Happy Easter. It's coming this Sunday. I hope you all enjoyed the trip to Fairview Public Library. I know I did, and I love the bunnies. Today for our craft, we're going to do a really cute little Easter egg wreath. Now, if you stopped by your local library and got your kits, inside you will find, of course, the finished picture with directions on the back if you don't get to do it with me today. We have 6 little eggs that have patterns on them, different colors. Your eggs aren't going to be the same as mine, but you're going to have 6 of these that have a pattern on them. You're going to have 6 eggs that are just solid colored, like this. You're going to have 1 long piece of ribbon, like this. And you're going to have a short piece of ribbon. Hi, Everett. How are you? I'm glad you're joining us today. You're also going to have a paper plate that's already got a hole cut out in the middle of it for you. And we're going to need some glue. You can use regular glue. You can use a glue stick. And it might help you a little bit if you have some tape around. So if you've got some tape, if your grown-up has some tape, go ahead and get that. So what we're going to do first today, we're going to use our solid colored eggs. And we're going to glue those onto our paper plates first, okay? So I'm going to start out with the 2 purple ones, or whatever solid colors you have. I've got 2 that are purple colored, so I'm going to start out with those. And I'm going to put some glue just on one edge of the paper plate. Just a bunch of glue right there. Some glue right there. And I'm going to glue my egg. My egg's going to be, the little end's going to be pointing out. So I'm going to glue the fat end onto the paper plate, just like that. I'm going to push it down a little bit to make it stay. The paper plate is kind of curved up, so you want to kind of push it down and hold it for a few seconds. Make sure it doesn't pop back up off there. If you don't have any glue, you can just use tape on this if you want to. There's that one. What I'm going to do with the other purple egg, I'm going to go straight across and point the little end out and glue that one right there, just like that. I'm going to put some glue on the plate. Glue it down just like that. See the little end's pointing that way, pointing out. Both ends are pointing out. On the whole wreath, all of your eggs, the little ends are going to be pointing out. I'm going to hold it, and remember the plate curves a little bit, so I'm going to hold it on there just for a few seconds. Okay, just like that. Okay, we've got somebody else. Hi, Luciella. How are you? I'm so glad you're excited about this craft. I am too. It's a really pretty craft. All right, so next we're going to take our 4 other eggs, our 4 solid colored eggs. And we're just going to glue them around. You're going to have gaps in between. They're not going to go clear up against the other eggs. They're going to have a little gap like this. See, we're going to have some space. We're going to cover that up with the eggs with the patterns on them. So we're just going to finish gluing these eggs right around the plate like this. And probably, if you take your fingers are probably smaller than mine, so if you take 4 fingers and lay your 4 fingers against one egg, glue the next one right here. That, I think, might help you. And if it's not perfectly spaced, that's okay. This is a fun project. So I'm going to glue that one there. See how I've got some space in between? That's what we want. And I'm just going to continue to glue the eggs around the wreath. And remember I said all the little ends are going to point out. See how all my little ends are pointing out of the plate? That's what we want. Maybe you want your little ends pointing in though. It's up to you. I'm pointing all my ends out. We're almost done with this one. Go ahead and stick glue on the last two. Just put the glue down there. All right, now I want to show you something. I ended up with 2 yellow eggs, and I'm ending up having the yellow eggs in the same place. That's okay. If I'd have thought a little bit more, I'd have put one up here and one down here. So if you get 2 eggs the same color in one place, that's okay. It's still going to look really, really pretty. All right, now I've held those down, and those ought to stay put. Well, that one's on. I'm going to hold that one down a little more. Glue dots would do good for this as well if you have glue dots. I didn't have any glue dots. All right, now let's see if it's going to stay. There, it's going to stay. All right, so this is the first part. We've got all of our solid eggs glued around. What we're going to do next is we're going to take our patterned eggs, the ones with the pretty, the dots and the stripes and all that on them. We're going to glue them in between these solid colored eggs. See where that's going? That's going to make your wreath look really pretty. So choose whatever egg you want, and we're going to put glue down, and we're going to glue those in between the solid colored eggs. Again, the little end, my little ends are pointing out. Just like that. We're going to do that all the way around. Now, while you're doing this, make sure to have your grown-ups hit the like button so that we'll know you're there, okay? Because we like to see as many of you as we can. Okay, there's that one. And we're just going to continue around the wreath and put our patterned eggs on. I'm going to go ahead and stick my glue in there. That way it'll get a little bit sticky, which is what I want. And maybe it won't take so long to hold it. I'm still going to hold each one against the glue for a few seconds to make sure it's on there and drying. Don't want our eggs falling off when we hang up our wreath. It's starting to look like a wreath, isn't it? Hi, Everly. How are you? Are you having a good time today doing the craft? I hope so. This is a craft. You can hang this in your window. You can hang it on your refrigerator. You can hang it on your door. A lot of places you could display this wreath. All right, we're getting there. Got 2 more. I might be able to hold 2 at a time. I don't know. I'm gonna try. I think it helps that I put the glue on first and let it get a little bit sticky. I think that's going to help it stick quicker. Okay, we're almost down to 1. Okay, last one. There it is. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. And you can make as many wreaths like this as you want. If you have paper plates around the house or construction paper, you can cut the eggs out of construction paper. All right, so there's that part. Now we have to add a bow to it, because this one's got a little bow on the front. So you're going to need your grown-up for this one. Take the long piece of ribbon and have your grown-ups just tie a bow in the piece of ribbon. And you might have to wiggle it around a little bit to make it look just the way you want it to. Tighten it up a little bit. All right, there is my bow. Like that. Now you're going to pick a place on the front that you want your bow to be. I think I'm going to put it, let's see, I think I'm going to put it on this yellow one up here, this yellow solid egg. I'm going to put a bunch of glue right on the front. Right there is where I put my glue. There. And I'm going to stick this bow right on that glue. Now you're also going to have to hold this, unless you want to take a little tiny piece of tape. If you have tape, and tape over that to make it stay put. You can do that if you want to. I think maybe if I just hold this for a second, it's going to stay put though. Yeah. Now the last thing we're going to do, we're going to take our small piece of ribbon and we're just going to put it together like that. So it makes like a loop, and this is where your tape is going to come in. We're going to go on the back right behind the bow. Okay, here's the bow. Here's where we're going to put a dot of glue right here. Then we're also going to tape it just to make sure it stays put. So I'll put a little dot of glue right there, and I'm going to just lay this right against the glue. Just like that. Now have your grown-up grab a piece of tape while you're holding this. And we're going to lay the tape, we're going to tape it right across the ends of this ribbon, right onto the paper plate, just so it makes sure it stays put, because we're going to hang this. And even though we've glued it, you don't want it popping off of there. So there we go. There is our really pretty Easter wreath. I hope you put this up in a place where everybody can see it, because you did a really, really good job. So that's the craft we have for today. And come back next week when we do another edition of Storytime Live Craft Club. And have a happy Easter. There's the bunny. Bye-bye.